Hi everyone, it's Mendiaroos. Welcome to my health and fitness channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix stiff neck pain at home. Okay, guys, we're gonna do only 3 exercises to fix your neck pain. Do these exercises at least once a day for 3 days, and your neck pain will be long gone. A stiff neck can affect your quality of life. Most of us at some point in time are waking up with neck pain, which might be an overstretch of a muscle or tendon, or an injury to a muscle or a tendon that resulted in a neck pain caused muscle strain. And a muscle spasm known as muscle cramps. The muscle involuntarily and forcibly contracts and cannot relax. Your upper trapezius, your levator scapulae, your splenius, and your masseter muscles will be the main muscles to focus on in order to get rid of your neck pain. Today I'm going to show you how to massage these muscles by yourself at home with a towel or a piece of cloth. Tip number 1, towel pull down stretch. We're going to get a towel, okay, your small towel like this, and then you're going to fold it to give you this shape, okay, and then you're going to hold the towel for 10 seconds on your upper trapezius. For 10 seconds you hold it like this and you try to pull back your head, and then you hold it, you count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're gonna do it slow and a fast motion. Okay, we're gonna do first on the slow motion. It's a towel pull left and right, and then you're gonna do first a forward upper trapezius. Okay, you're gonna do 10 reps on it. All right, so the upper trapezius, we're just gonna do a 1-2 exercise like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so the second one we're going to do it on levator scapulae. We're going to do it for 10 seconds. All right, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, the third muscle is going to be the splenius. The splenius is all the way up. Okay, it's very close to your occipital area. All right, so you just hold the towel very high. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that was the slow motion. So the faster motion, it's gonna be the same way. You hold the towel on your upper trapezius, and then you're going to do it 10 reps very fast. All right, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, just like this. And then for the levator scapulae, it's the same. You just raise your hand up a little bit like this. It's going to be exactly on the levator scapulae. All right, so basically, you know, the levator scapulae, it's under the trapezius. All right, we just gonna do 10 reps. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then now we're gonna do it for the splenius. Remember the splenius, you just push your hand up. It's gonna be all the way up. All right, and then we're just gonna do 10 reps. All right, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now we're gonna do the tip number 2. Tip number 2, it's the towel push-up. You're gonna do the towel push-up left and right. Okay, so it's gonna be for the masseter. All right, so you're just gonna do like this. You're just gonna push your hand up. Okay, 1, and then you push the other one. 2, all right, 3, 4, 5, number 3, you're going to do a crisscross towel left and right. Okay, so you just crisscross your hand and you grab the towel. All right, and then you're just going to do for the upper trapezius 10 reps. Okay, you just pull right and left down. All right, you just pull down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now we're going to do it for the levator scapulae. We're going to do 10 reps. All right, you just raise your hand a little bit. Okay, and then you're just going to pull down left and right the same way. While you're pulling it, your head going to turn regardless. All right, so you just pull right, you pull, and then you pull left. Okay, you pull right, you pull left, and then you do it 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now we're going to do it for the SPLENIUS. You're just going to raise your hand up. You just place the towel almost at the occipital area. Okay, and then you're just going to pull left and right. All right, and while you're pulling it, remember your head and your neck all together going to turn. All right, you just pull right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. If you learn how to relieve your neck pain today, then click on this video and share it with a friend. And here is another health or fitness video that you should enjoy. Just click left or right to stay on the side of Mendiaroos Health. Subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss some more videos in your health or fitness needs. See you in the next video. Take care.